Today, we'll be exploring the world's largest bird that can grow up to 2.7 meters tall and weigh as much as 159 kilograms. Ostriches are found across Africa's hot savannas and open woodland. Let's start by taking a closer look at the ostrich's physical appearance. This flightless bird has a long, bare neck, long, sturdy legs, and bulky body covered with feathers. Males and females have different colored feathers. Males sport black plumage with a white tail, and females are mostly brown. The ostrich's feathers are unique in that they don't have barbs like other bird feathers. Instead, they have tiny hooks that interlock with each other to form a smooth surface that helps them regulate their body temperature. Ostriches also have huge eyes, which are bigger than their brains, giving them excellent eyesight. Ostriches are not only big but also fast. They can run at speeds of over 70 kilometers per hour using their long legs, powerful thighs, and strong feet to cover 5 meters in a single stride. They can also maintain this speed for up to 30 minutes. When running at high speeds, ostriches hold out their short wings to help them balance. Ostriches use their strong legs for self-defense when cornered by predators such as lions, cheetahs, leopards. 5. Or hyenas. 6. Each two-toed foot is armed with a 10-centimeter sharp claw. Ostriches also have a unique defense mechanism called head in the sand. When threatened or scared, ostriches will lie low to hide and stretch their neck along the ground. Their colored feathers help them blend in with the sandy soil where they live. Ostriches are mainly vegetarian, eating roots, leaves, flowers, and seeds. 2. They will also eat insects. 3. Lizards and other small creatures. Ostriches are able to survive without water for long periods of time because they get most of their water from the plants they eat. Ostriches generally live in the vicinity of grazing animals such as 2. Wildebeest, antelopes, and zebras. 5. They form a great partnership. The grazers stir up insects and rodents for the ostriches to eat, and the ostriches help alert the grazers to dangers such as approaching lions. Ostriches are found across Africa's hot savannas and open woodland. Ostriches are polygamous birds that mate during the breeding season, which is usually from March to September. 2. During this time, male ostriches will perform elaborate courtship displays such as bowing down and flapping their wings while making hissing sounds. Female ostriches will lay their eggs in communal nests which can contain up to 60 eggs. The eggs are incubated by the dominant female during the day while the male takes over at night. Ostrich chicks hatch from their eggs after an incubation period of 35 to 45 days. They are born with brownish-gray feathers that help them blend in with their surroundings. Ostrich chicks grow very quickly. They can run within hours of hatching. They stay with their parents for up to 2 years before becoming independent. Ostriches have 3 stomachs which help them digest tough plant material. They also have a unique respiratory system that allows them to breathe through their lungs as well as through air sacs located throughout their body, which helps them regulate their body temperature. Ostriches are classified as least concern by the International Union for Conservation of Nature. However, they face threats from habitat loss due to human activities such as 3. Farming and hunting for their meat and feathers. That's all for our video about ostriches. 2. We hope you enjoyed learning about these fascinating birds. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more educational videos like this one.